when two different systems can work together or can operate with each other, we say that the systems are interoperable, and the philosophy is known as interoperability. Now, how can two different systems work together? For this, the systems must understand other systems' language of communication. That means what the other system is sending, what message the other systems are sending, one system must understand that. Only then they will be able to establish communication and they will be able to interoperate. Let us take one very simple example from our day-to-day life. If there are two persons we consider who talks different language, if we represent these two persons with these two blocks, where this person knows X language and this person knows Y language, now if they want to work together, they will fail because they cannot communicate with each other. So this person will not understand the message passed by this person, and same for this person. So they will not be able to work together. So in this case, we'll say that they cannot interoperate. But if we place a third person in between them who knows the languages of both the persons, so these persons standing at the middle will be able to work as interpreter and will be able to establish communication between these two persons. But this is not interoperability. In case of interoperability, the two persons or the two systems must establish communication directly and must work together directly. So this is interoperability between systems. Let us understand the interoperability issue in software systems. Now, one business may use one application provided by one vendor. So, let us assume that this is the inventory management application developed by some vendor. Now, the same business may use a different application for finance management provided by a different vendor. So, let us assume this is the application developed by another vendor. Now, since these two applications are developed by different vendor, so their message passing mechanisms will be different. But inventory management and finance must work together for a smooth running of a business. But if they cannot interoperate, if they cannot understand the message other is sending, they will not be able to interoperate, and these will limit the business. This is a most likely situation for a business. So a business is using 6 different applications from 3 different vendors. So these two same color blocks are representing 2 different applications from same vendor, and again here 2 different application from another vendor, and again 2 different application from another vendor. Now these two applications are from same vendor, so they can interoperate, or most likely that they will be able to interoperate. But see, these applications cannot communicate, so they cannot interoperate. So these applications cannot again interoperate, and these applications cannot again interoperate, and so this hampers the business, and this also limits flexibility. So for a business, it limits the option. That means in this case, if a business wants that all their applications must interoperate, in that case the business will have to go for applications developed by same vendor. So if a business needs 6 different applications, it will have to procure all those 6 applications from same vendor, and then only the applications will be able to interoperate. So these limits the option for a business, and this reduces flexibility in software engineering. The issue of interoperability has always been a problem in computing and software systems. But in traditional computing, there was very little scope of addressing the issue, because in traditional computing, applications used to work in isolation. So there was very little scope of addressing the issue of interoperability, and applications generally couldn't interoperate. But with the emergence of cloud computing, where everything is hosted over cloud, their scope of collaboration is much more. Hence, technologists and technology vendors are working together to sort out this issue so that applications developed by different vendors and different technology can interoperate with each other, and thus interoperability of systems can be boosted, which will definitely boost business and will give better scope and lot of opportunities to the consumers, and this will also boost the flexibility of applications.